You want more control over your life? You want financial freedom? Side hustle. It's the key to unlocking new opportunities and breaking free from the constraints of a traditional job. It's not just about extra cash. It's about taking ownership of your future and creating something meaningful. The 9 to 5 isn't enough anymore. The world is changing, and so should your approach to work. You need a plan B, a way to chase your dreams and turn your passions into profit. The internet has changed the game. It has opened up endless possibilities for anyone willing to put in the effort. You can build something huge from your laptop. The tools and resources are at your fingertips. No more excuses. The opportunity is there. It's time to take action and make it happen. What are you passionate about? What drives you and makes you excited to get up in the morning? What skills do you have? Identify your strengths and leverage them. Turn them into a side hustle. Start small, but think big. It's about hustle, not luck. Consistent effort and dedication will set you apart. It's about putting in the work even when it's tough. The journey won't be easy, but it's worth it. But the rewards? Worth it. Financial security, creative outlet, being your own boss. These are the benefits of your hard work. That's the power of the side hustle. It's your path to a better, more fulfilling life. Finding your side hustle is personal. What gets you fired up? What are you naturally good at? Think about your skills, interests, and passions. Write them down. Brainstorm. Love to bake? Start a custom cake business. Good with words? Freelance writing is booming. Passionate about fitness? Become a personal trainer. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start small, test different ideas. You'll find the perfect fit. The key is to start. Action beats inaction every single time. You have your idea. Now what? It's time to turn that spark into a flame. Time to build a plan. Start with thorough research. Who's your target audience? Who are your competitors? What makes you different? Dive deep into understanding the market. Next, set realistic and achievable goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Break down your big dreams into smaller, manageable steps. Start small. Celebrate every win, no matter how tiny. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Consistency is key. Put in the work, even if it's just for an hour a day. Every bit counts. Finally, get the word out. Tell your friends, family, and social media. Network both online and offline. Build connections. Build a simple website or social media page. Make it easy for people to find you. Showcase your skills and passion. Let the world see what you have to offer. Section 4. Hustle smarter, not harder. Tips for success. Time management is crucial. Treat your side hustle like a real business. Schedule dedicated time for it. Evenings, weekends, lunch breaks. Every minute counts. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Take courses, learn new skills, attend workshops. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Knowledge is power. Most importantly, stay passionate. The journey won't always be easy. There will be challenges and setbacks, but your passion will fuel you through. Never give up on your dreams. Section 5. From side hustle to main stage. Leveling up your game. Your side hustle is gaining momentum, and you're starting to see the fruits of your labor. You're making money, building a loyal customer base, and gaining confidence with each passing day. Now it's time to level up. Think bigger. Dream larger. Can you scale your operations to meet growing demand? Can you hire help to manage the workload? Can you expand your product line or services to attract a wider audience? The sky's the limit. Don't be afraid to dream big and take calculated risks. Remember, success breeds success, and bold moves often lead to great rewards. As you grow, reinvest your earnings back into your business to fuel further growth. Upgrade your equipment, hire skilled professionals, and build a strong, recognizable brand that stands out in the market. Section 6. The time is now. Embrace the hustle. The world is changing. The old ways of working are fading. The future belongs to those who are willing to hustle, to create their own opportunities, and to build their own empires. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Start small, start today. Take that first step and never look back. The side hustle revolution is here. Are you in?